I think the differentiator for Impact Label is that we've been around a long time, but we've made the investments not only in our infrastructure, our technology, and our people to not only support our customers today, but into the future. I'm Matt Berry, Vice President, General Manager here at Impact Label. Impact Label is a successful global business located in Galesburg, Michigan. And it was founded by my grandfather in 1964. It's 35,000 square feet to support our 30-plus employees. We serve all industries, including agricultural equipment, technology, medical devices, recreational equipment, and we invested in a lot of new technology to support our customers moving forward.
My name is Abdullah Yusuf. I'm the Director of Engineering at Impact Label. Our customer knows us as a printing company, but we really want them to think of us as a tech company where we can solve their problems. So we researched digital providers and players in the market, including HP Indigo, Durist, and a couple other more really for over a year, including Domino. And we chose Domino because they delivered on really three important aspects for us, which is quality, speed, and commitment. The commitment and partnership feeling for us was really, really important, and that really differentiated Domino versus the other suppliers that we were looking at.
From a sales perspective, it's way easier to sell. We know the quality that we're going to get. We know the versatility of all the different substrates that we can put through the Domino, so it makes it really easy to pretty much attack any segment of the market. Great example of a job that we were able to transition to the Domino was for the recreation industry for kayak labels. 50,000 at a time, multiple colors. Used to take us weeks, now it can be done in a day.
My name is Lucas Adams. I am the digital press technician here at Impact Label. So the Domino difference for me is the speed, the quality of the product that you get in the end, and their tech support is fantastic. If you have problems, they're resolved quickly and efficiently, and that's it, man. It's a nice piece of equipment.
We installed Domino during the pandemic. That was very challenging, but also very successful, which means we can deliver the best quality, and an added bonus is we can deliver always on time.
My name is Bashir Tolliver. I'm a graphic artist, and I was given the opportunity to run the Domino. This is my first time running a press. I was sent to training in Gurney. Now I can run anything on this press.
After meeting with all the different machine manufacturers, we could really tell that Domino wanted to be a strategic partner. They were, what can we do? How can we do it better? And we'll be there to support you after we sell this press. They've definitely held up their end of that.
I believe the Domino difference is the commitment, the feeling of partnership, the quality that Domino delivers, the speed, the efficiency, the capacities it allows us to go to. That is the Domino different for Impact.
When we were evaluating the Domino, we had to make sure that the dollars and cents were there to be successful with this investment, but it's more than that, it's our future. We've really just appreciated Domino support throughout this whole process, and we feel it's going to make us very successful moving forward.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
From all of us at Impact Label, thanks, Domino.